I ordered some stuff from SHEIN, summer vibe, but I don't know. Ah, smells like see? Oh, I do not know my skin shade when it comes to foundation because I am sold. Hello everyone, it's a girl Jhosie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming, and if you're old here, hello bestie. I really appreciate you. So in today's video, it's quite a simple one. I ordered some stuff from SHEIN. They are mostly makeup products. I was already unboxing and then I decided to, why not, like, shoot a video and show you guys all the stuff that I got. The first thing here is SHEGLAM eyeliner pencil. Everything that I got is a makeup product, a makeup item, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's the eyeliner pencil, Bold Moves Kohl cream eyeliner pencil. Yeah, okay. And by the way, I just got new nails. So pretty. I love them. Like, I love them. I love them. Got them a day or two ago. I think 2 days ago. I went for the summer vibe. So pretty. So this is a concealer. I think it's a little brighter than I anticipated. Like Magic 12 Hour Full Coverage Concealer. This is the shade. I don't know if it's going to match my skin, but I don't know. Let's see. I think it's a little brighter than I expected, but I don't know. What do we have here? So this is everything is from SHEGLAM anyways. Everything is from SHEGLAM. So this is a liquid blush in the shade Swipe Right. Ooh, like the packaging is so pretty. And this is the color. Yeah, so this is the shade Swipe Right. Ooh, I can't wait to try all these stuff. I can't wait to do a full face of makeup with SHEGLAM products. Like, I really cannot wait. And the next thing in this bag, hydrating lip oil. Ooh, so pretty. This is pretty. Let me see. Let me use it. Ah, smells so nice. Oh, is that strawberry? I don't know. I actually have no idea, but just look at this. Like, honestly, I don't like this. Like, ugh, this is stressing me. What is that? Oh yeah, Good Grip Hydrating Primer. Base hydration, good grip. This is like the travel size. I have a lot of like primers, so I didn't think I needed one. But since I was thinking of doing a full face of makeup with products from SHEGLAM, I decided to get the travel size and then try it out and see if like I like it. Then I mean I can get the bigger one. Let's see how it looks like. So this is like a powder blush. Look at that. So pretty. And this is how it's looking like. Ooh. So this is Sunset Cruise Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio. Look at the colors. Just look at the colors. Just look at the colors. Just look at that. This is so nice and cute. Yeah. Anyways, what do we have here? It's an eyeshadow palette. Anyway, I've got a couple of eyeshadow palettes, and I was like, yeah. Also, I'm just doing. I was thinking of doing a full face of makeup with just SHEIN, like product from SHEGLAM. So why not get an eyeshadow palette? And then the best option to choose from was like nude colors. I didn't want anything bold because I've got a couple of them. So I opted for just nude colors, and I think I like it. It comes in like, yeah. There's a hues. These are the colors. Nude colors, as you can see on there. Yeah. My cousin always tells me to take my name off the packaging before I throw them away. I'm going to remember to do that. So this is the 16-hour long lasting setting spray locked in. So it claims to keep your makeup fresh all day. This is cushion foundation, Lock and Go long lasting cushion foundation in the shade Sepia. Like, I love the packaging. How it comes is so pretty. Huh? How do I get this to work? Ooh. Okay, so this is the shade. It looks darker. I don't know, but let's see. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's just a perfect skin match. I got the perfect skin match. I think I'm sold, honestly. Just look at that. This, you cannot even tell me this is my skin. Like, this is the foundation. You can't even see it. Like, look at that. Oh my god, that's a perfect skin match. I don't know if you guys can see, but then look. It's like there is nothing. I'm so happy I got it in this color. I was contemplating whether I should get a lighter one, a darker one, because I don't know. I actually do not know my skin shade when it comes to foundation, because the ones that I've been using, they just work for me. They just work right for me. So when I'm getting a new foundation and it's like online, it's quite a hassle for me, because I don't know if it's going to match my skin, whether it's going to be lighter, darker, just the right shade or not. But then I chose the shade Sepia, and it works. Like, there it is. Like, there it is. And I think it's full coverage. No? It is. It is full coverage. And it's just my skin. The only thing I'm worried about is the, how do you call it? The concealer. Because it looks quite lighter. I chose like two shades lighter than the shade that I chose. Oh my god, yes, this is so pretty. I cannot wait to try this. I cannot wait. I cannot actually wait to try this. Like, so pretty. Yeah! I'm sold. SHEGLAM, I'm sold. Actually, like, I am sold. Okay, and then what do we have here? I honestly cannot wait to try it. Like, a full face of makeup with just SHEGLAM products. Ugh, I can't wait, honestly. I can't wait. Glue liner for eyelashes. Yeah, I'm not really an eyelash fan. I used to, but then not anymore. Since I've decided like I will be doing a full face of makeup, I thought adding an eyelash would put the looks together. So I got an eyelash glue of the design. Yeah. This is the Baked Glow Setting Powder. What was the shade? In the shade chocolate. Yeah, chocolate shade. Pretty, cute. Can't say much about it. Guys, this is a liquid contour. In what shade? Earthy Sepia. In the shade Earthy Sepia as well. Yeah. This is a lip liner, but First Coffee. That is the name. But First Coffee. And there's the shade. And then I got some lashes from SHEIN. I saw them and then I liked that. I don't know what kind of lash it is, but then the lash strip. 7 pairs of strip lashes. Yeah. And then this foam hair sponge. So it's a sponge for my hair. I went bald a couple of months ago and I'm trying to grow my hair. So I've been wearing wigs and stuff, but I've decided to wear my natural hair more often. And yeah, so I got this hair sponge to, define my hair and stuff like that. So this is how my hair is currently looking like. I don't have that much hair, but then I can use it, yeah, to wet things out. And so yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching it up to this point. I can't wait to try all these products and see how it turns out. So make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe as well, so you see the results when I post the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.